what you have done?
My name is Parasmita.
My name is Ayushi.
My name is Smart village is step away better. Smart village means a developed village where people use new technology for better life. Just like cities, smart cities and smart villages also have all these things like good roads, clean water, electricity, internet and schools. This is to make every city or village smart in India.
Now you are thinking of that what is a smart village. A smart village is a place where modern ideas and technology is used to make our life easy and comfortable. It has solar lights, waste management, clean drinking water, and digital education. Farmers use machines and mobile apps for better farming. People use renewable energy instead of polluting fuels. A smart village is a traditional life of modern education.
Now I will say how to make a village smart by keeping it clean and green, by using solar energy and green water harvesting, by using computers and nets to for education and farming. A smart village is not only about technology, it is about unity, education and better living. If every person does their part, we can make our villages develop and self-reliant. Let us all promise to make our villages with full out smart people and smart